Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. I just come across this company and just wanted to bring it to your attention. It just kind of looks like Tesla some days to me. Again, this is Jay. I'm not a licensed financial counselor. I can't really tell you what to do with your money. You can go ahead and do your own research. Again, I just wanted to bring this one to everybody's attention as I thought it was interesting. Thank you for tuning into my channel again. We're just started, not even a week old, and gaining some subscribers. There's a lot of you out there that's been watching my content and haven't subscribed, so next time you watch, or if you watch the videos again, go ahead and subscribe, please. I'm just trying to grow my channel and get it on to the next step. Just trying to bring out different content in regards to EVs, MJ stocks, and just kind of whatever's out there, and see what piques people's interest. Just trying to build a community and talk about different things and go from there and see if we can all make some money together by comparing notes. Again, anyway, just wanted to bring this one to your attention. I'm not for sure how to say this first one. I'm just going to say Wunong Net Technology. Sounds like a internet or something company like that to me, but as you can see, it just did have an IPO here. But as you can see, this growth, I mean, is just insane. I've just been watching it and can't keep my eyes off of it, so I thought I'd may as well make a video about it and see if any of you out there have it or got in on the IPO, or what your thoughts are on this company. But as you can see, this growth and just kind of crazy. I was watching it again today, and I mean, it's just up and down, just like a roller coaster here. So don't know what's going on with this one, but anyway, thought it was interesting. They operate as an online and mobile commerce company. It engages in the business of selling food products through online retail stores and also operates restaurants in China. The company operates through three reportable segments: Clean Food Platform, Restaurant, and Others. Wunong Net Technology was founded on December 4th, 2018, and is headquartered in Shenzhen, China. The listed name is WNW, is Wunong Net Technology Company Limited. Anyway, so I just thought it was interesting. I was just trying to do some research on it. There's not a whole lot out there about the company. It's that I could find. I still doing some research on it. Might do another video on it later, but I just was bringing it to everybody's attention. I mean, you can just see major volume in there, and we're going, riding up the roller coaster and coming down a little bit, but not as much as you're going up. But anyway, that day's range is just insane. It'd be a fun one to trade, so maybe I'll try that tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. But 57, 88%, it's just crazy. I don't think there's much in here either, but I tried to find what I could on it. I couldn't really find a whole lot on it. Let's open this up and see what it says. Soars 400% on second day after the IPO. I kind of was watching it on the IPO, and then it was just going straight up, so I just kind of lost interest. It was getting out of my price range and didn't know anything about it. But climbs on the second day. Sells non-genetically modified food products through its online store. Soared on the day as it triggered 12 volatility halts as of 2 p.m. in New York. That's crazy. Shares rose 141% on Tuesday after the based company raised $30 million in its IPO. The stocks debuted as among a flurry of listings before the end of the year, which includes last week's blockbuster offerings by DoorDash, which climbed 86% in the first day, and Airbnb. I did not partake in either one of those. I just kind of stayed away. I watched them, but heard too many things could go one way, could go another, and so I just kind of stayed away. So, again, the product offers include green food, organic food, intangible cultural heritage food products, agricultural products bearing geographical indications, and pollution-free products. Looks like Jim Cramer did discuss it. Can take a peek at that and see what they had to say.
Holiday gifts, narrow to those with a sudden need for a new gift, meaning you.
Of course,
You're
we'll have
the
to
one we
wait
made
for
my
the
Walgreens
ad.
for.
Again, I was
In
just
as little
bringing
as
this
30
to
minutes.
everybody's attention.
Get 30-minute pickup at
just trying to get some
Walgreens.com.
feedback on the company.
By the way, though, when we
Jim
talk about
says
IPO
here.
speculation, Jim, that gets me to this Chinese retailer, Wunong, that was up 400% on the second day after its IPO.
Yeah.
You saw this. Yeah.
Yeah, I thought the SEC might give them a jingle, but, you know, the SEC is not as involved as I would like to think. Or maybe a senator, you know, like there's like 100 of them. Someone must look at this thing. I mean, David, this is a travesty. And there are people who are going to lose money, but we don't really care. I guess it's all caveat emptor. But you and I both know, David, this is not what an orderly market looks like. And Wunong Net Technology reminds me of Wave4, which is a company I said was a bad company. I called it Wave Fraud or something. The late Mark Haynes was there. And the government called me, wanted to know if I was shorting it. At that point, I had my hedge fund, and I wasn't short it. And they investigated. And by the time they had completed the investigation, the company had gone out of business. I mean, who knows what this thing is? What are they the technology of?
I remember it well.
Wave fraud.
But come on, Jim, it's only up 763% for the week. I mean, maybe you're not being fair. By the way, that was a good face. By the way, we did, right. When I say we, I mean Squawk Box, and actually the man who sits in this chair, Andrew Sorkin, talked to Chairman Clayton of the SEC about IPOs, and this one particularly. Take a listen to what he had to say.
There are more retail investors participating in the market than ever before. And we're seeing that. And one thing that we don't regulate directly, Andrew, is Euphoria. And we're seeing some euphoria here. I think I've heard other guests talk about euphoria. You know, when stocks run away, like the ones you mentioned, we do get concerned because it is a situation where professional investors understand this. I do worry that retail investors, do not understand that trees don't grow to the sky.
Kind of sounds like some of the things you've been saying, Jim.
But David, this is not euphoria. This is not euphoria. This is broken. Something's broken that happens. We want the SEC to look into anything that's broken, where we got to figure out that this wasn't euphoria. This was just something that is simply, it's like going to a store and seeing something marked up big and hoping you can buy it and then return it for more money. I mean, I don't think that this is euphoria. Now, yesterday, we had the Massachusetts regulators coming in, talking to Robinhood, $65 million to SEC probe. But there was a Massachusetts regulators that came out against Apple in 1980, literally saying that there was too much euphoria. Look, euphoria to me is not good at all. But an orderly market where you have something that goes up, well, you know what? That may be a mistake the long term. But this thing, David, I mean, it's inconceivable that passes muster with the SEC. I mean, why not pick up the phone and call them and see what's wrong? That's wrong. It's not euphoric.
Yeah.
It's just wrong.
Anyway, that was entertaining. Anyway, I agree. Yep, it's going to be one to watch. That's why I wanted to bring it to everybody's attention. Again, Wunong Net Technology. food products company, online retailer. So let me know what you think in the comments. It'd be interesting to see if anybody picked this one up. If you're doing options on it or whatever you're doing to make some money on it, would be a real interesting one to talk about. That's why I wanted to make the video. Again, this is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Please hit the like button, jump on it, jump off the top rope on it, jump off the couch on it, however you got to do to highlight it. Subscribe and leave a comment. I'm going to be bringing more videos your way. Channel's going to be a week old tomorrow. So watch for more videos coming out over the weekend. Leave in the comments whatever videos you'd like me to make. Just kind of all over the board, whatever's in the news, whatever, just trying to pique people's interest, especially with this one. Again, this is Jay. I thank you for watching. Happy trading and stay green. Have a great day.